What if I told you that in 2025, you could edit professional quality videos, complete with slick transitions, captions, and effects, without spending a cent or needing years of editing experience? Free AI video editing tools are changing the game for creators, marketers, and businesses. And today, I'm revealing the top 7 free AI tools for video editing that will save you hours, boost your content's impact, and make your videos stand out. I've tested over 100 AI platforms, and these are the absolute best. Feature-packed, no watermarks in most cases, and ready to take your videos to the next level. Stick around for a bonus tool at the end that's a total game changer, and grab my referral links in the description for exclusive perks to get started fast. Welcome to Web Success, your go-to channel for the best tools and strategies to amplify your online presence. I'm your host, and after diving deep into the world of AI video editing, I've curated the 7 best free tools for 2025 that every YouTuber, freelancer, or business owner needs. These tools make video editing fast, easy, and professional, whether you're creating YouTube tutorials, TikTok clips, or marketing promos. I'll break down each tool, share real-world use cases, highlight their benefits, and show you how to access them for free. Plus, don't skip to the end. Tool number 8 is a hidden gem that's completely free and could revolutionize your workflow. All referral links are in the description for free trials or bonuses. So let's dive in. First up is Clipchamp, a free AI-powered video editor owned by Microsoft that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. The free plan includes all AI features like auto captions, text-to-speech, and background noise removal, with watermark-free exports at 1080p. Imagine you're a content creator making a YouTube vlog. You upload your footage to Clipchamp, and its AI auto-generates captions, removes silences, and enhances audio clarity in minutes. I tested it with a 5-minute interview clip, and in under 10 minutes, I had a polished video with captions and transitions. The benefits? It saves hours of editing, delivers professional results, and integrates with Microsoft 365. My referral link below unlocks premium stock assets if you upgrade. Use the Isolate Voice feature to separate vocals from background music for clean audio mixes. Next, we have Vmaker AI, a free online video editor with 24 AI-powered features, including one-click raw-to-publish editing, auto subtitles, and background removal. The free plan allows unlimited edits with no watermark, making it ideal for social media creators. Picture this. You're a marketer creating a TikTok ad. You upload raw footage, and Vmaker's AI detects highlights, adds captions, and applies trendy effects in minutes. I used it to turn a 10-minute product demo into a 30-second reel, and it took just 15 minutes. The benefits include fast turnaround, viral-ready clips, and no learning curve. My referral link in the description offers a discount on premium exports. Use the Viral Styles library to match trending aesthetics for platforms like Instagram. Tool number 3 is Kapwing, a free online AI video editor designed for speed and simplicity. The free plan includes tools like Smart Cut, clean audio, and auto subtitles, with no watermarks on short exports. Say you're a small business owner creating a training video. Kapwing's AI trims silences, enhances audio, and adds captions automatically. I tested it with a 2-minute explainer video, and in 8 minutes, I had a polished clip ready for LinkedIn. The benefits? It's beginner-friendly, streamlines repetitive tasks, and supports team collaboration. My referral link below unlocks a free trial for premium features. Use the AI resizing tool to adapt your video for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube in one click. Our fourth tool is Vid.io, a free AI video editing platform that excels at creating social media content. The free plan offers auto captions, noise removal, and basic editing with watermarked exports. Imagine you're a YouTuber making shorts. You upload a clip to Vid, and its AI adds subtitles, removes background noise, and suggests transitions in minutes. I used it for a 60-second product review, and it was ready to post in under 12 minutes. The benefits include accessibility features, fast editing, and professional output. My referral link in the description gives you a discount on Watermark free exports. Use the AI subtitle generator to make your videos accessible to non-native speakers. If you're finding these tools game-changing, hit that like button. It helps keep web success growing. Check the description for my referral links, which offer free trials or discounts while supporting the channel. We've got 3 more tools plus a bonus coming up, so let's keep rolling. Tool number 5 is Wisecut, an AI video editor that transforms long videos into viral clips with 0 effort. The free plan includes auto subtitles, silence removal, and music syncing, with a small watermark. Picture a podcaster wanting to repurpose an hour-long episode into TikTok clips. Wisecut's AI detects key moments, adds captions, and syncs background music automatically. I tested it with a 20-minute interview, and it created 3 30-second clips in 10 minutes. The benefits? It saves hours of manual cutting, boosts engagement, and optimizes for social platforms. My referral link below unlocks premium features at a discount. Use the transcribe storyboard to tweak clips by editing text instead of timelines. Next up is Gling, an AI video editing tool tailored for YouTubers, offering free auto editing for bad takes, silences, and filler words. The free plan supports unlimited uploads with watermarked exports. Say you're a vlogger with raw footage full of ums and pauses. Gling's AI transcribes your video, removes unwanted sections, and adds captions in minutes. I used it for a 15-minute tutorial, and it cut editing time by 70%, delivering a tight 10-minute video. The benefits include a streamlined workflow, polished content, and integration with editors like Premiere Pro. My referral link in the description offers a trial for watermark-free exports. Use Gling's AI-generated titles to optimize your YouTube videos for search. Tool number 7 is InVideo AI, a free AI video editor that turns text prompts into polished videos with no editing skills required. The free plan offers 10 minutes of exports per month, no watermark, and access to thousands of templates. Imagine you're a marketer creating an ad for Instagram. You type a script into InVideo's magic box, and it generates a video with visuals, voiceovers, and captions. I tested it with a 30-second promo, and it was ready in 8 minutes. The benefits? It's fast, beginner-friendly, and supports multiple languages. My referral link below gives you a discount on paid plans. Use the magic box to adjust aspect ratios for different platforms with a single command. Now, for the bonus tool, Runway's free AI video editor, a browser-based platform with generative AI powered by Runway's Gen 4 model. The free plan offers 125 credits for basic editing and image-to-video tools, with no watermarks on short exports. Picture a freelancer needing a cinematic intro. Runway's AI generates a video from a text prompt like epic sunset drone shot, and you can tweak it with motion brushes or in painting. I created a 15-second intro in 10 minutes, and it looked Hollywood-worthy. The benefits include creative control, high-quality output, and no software downloads. My referral link in the description unlocks a discount on premium credits. Use the in-painting tool to clean up messy backgrounds without disrupting the frame. That's our list of the top 7 free AI video editing tools for 2025, plus the bonus gem, Runway. These tools can transform your workflow, save hours, and deliver videos that rival pro productions. Whether you're creating YouTube content, social media clips, or marketing videos, there's something here for everyone. Head to the description for my referral links. They offer free trials, discounts, or extra credits, and they help keep web success running. If this video sparked your creativity, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and comment below with which tool you're excited to try or what AI topic you want next. Thanks for watching Web Success, and I'll see you in the next one.